Hi, it's Friday, May 8th, and this is our word work for the day. Okay, rhyme recognition first. Give me a thumbs up if it rhymes, a thumbs down if it doesn't. Repeat after me. You too. Yep, you too rhyme. Ever, never. Yep. See, no. See and no do not end the same. Such, much. Yep, they rhyme. Life, do. Nope, life and do not rhyme. Okay, onset fluency. Repeat after me. Page, pine, puh. Rule, race, Vase, voice, v. Zoom, zebra, z. Such, soup, s. Okay, great job. Now we're going to blend our onsets together. Find. Your turn. Ow, how. Own, down. Ale, nail. Kapow. Food. Okay, great job. Okay, we're going to do our middle sounds. P, an, a. G, et, e. Id, it. Ak, ah. Sun, Okay, great job. Get your choppers out. Farm, arm. Your turn. Wife, wife. Cut, ut. Him, him. Tail, ale. Those words were from our nursery rhyme, huh? Okay, we're going to add our onset and our rhyme together. Ready? We start with the part ack, add s to the beginning to make ack, sack. We start with m, add h at the beginning to make hem. We start with ill, add f at the beginning to make fill. Good job. We start with all, add d at the beginning to make doll. We start with ud, add b at the beginning to make bud. Good job. Now we're going to delete part of our phoneme. Okay, we're starting with the word fan without f. What's left? An. We start with the word pet without p. What's left? Et. We start with the word hip without h. What's left? Ip. We start with the word lot without o. What's left? Ot. We start with the word duck without d. What's left? Uck. Good job. Okay, our nursery rhyme. See if you can do it all by yourself at the end. Right now, repeat after me. 3 blind mice. 3 blind mice. See how they run. See how they run. They all ran after the farmer's wife, who cut off their tails with a carving knife. Did you ever see such a sight in your life as 3 blind mice? That's a hard one. Give it a shot. I'll see you next week.